Hello there. Today's video is about fitting a Recoheat to a twin wall system. Increasingly popular, especially with people putting stoves into houses that don't have a chimney press. And the Recoheat works absolutely fine in exactly the same way. So you put the Recoheat into the collar and you build the flue off that. Using the standard Recoheat, you can either just put the spigot of the twin wall into the Recoheat and have a flat ending, or you can have an adapter, as you'll see that there's a nice smooth angle, and away you go. But as well as the standard Recoheat, we do have the twin wall compatible version, and the only difference to it is the 25mm extra on the air inlet and 25mm extra on the outlet, so that you put the spigot of your twin wall into the top of the Recoheat as normal, and then you take a cover or a connecting band and you put that over the end of the twin wall and the top of the stove, and you drill a hole, 11mm hole either side, to take the coil going through, tube going through. And it is as simple as that, but I've got a wonderful opportunity to show you it being done. Hudsons Stoves, who are a lovely shop in Melbourne near Royston, who have a Recoheat on display, are installing one in a customer who's getting a Recoheat actually because their dad's got one. Isn't that fantastic? And I went out to see them. Right, I'm here with Andy from Hudsons Stoves to show you how to fit a twin wall system with the Recoheat, with the integrated Recoheat, on a beautiful stove in a lovely house. So over to Andy. So this is the marvellous Charlton and Jenrick stove they're fitting with a full twin wall flue. The Recoheat fits straight into the collar as usual, and they've got a starter section with a cover band to build up from there. The cover band goes right across the end of the spigot on the twin wall to the top of the stove, giving that lovely seamless look. So the only adaptation that needs to be made is to drill an 11mm hole either side to take the inlet and outlet tubes. So once they're marked, then taken outside and drilled, then tested in place, it's time to start fitting everything together, using a good wadge of fire cement to seal the joints. So the Recoheat goes in first, then the starter flue section. Then the cover slides over it, you wrestle a bit to line the holes up and push the tubes through. Then you tighten the securing bands and that bit's done. The remainder of the flue is then built as normal, or in this case is connected up using a length of adjustable flue to make it easy to fit and to dismount if necessary. And there it is. Ain't that gorgeous? So what a lovely install on a Charlton and Jenrick with an MI Flue Systems flue. All the manufacturers make those connecting bands, so whatever type of twin wall you've got, you'll be able to do it. And actually the connecting bands tend to be interchangeable because they're very simple. And as long as they'll go over the clips on the back of the stove, then you can use any on them. Thanks so much to the lovely customers for letting us come on video, and thank you very much again to Hudsons. Go and check them out. Go and see a Recoheat in their beautiful showroom in Melbourne near Royston. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.